Good morning from Bologna, Italy. Today I'm going to do a follow-up video on the MONOS Carry-On Pro. My wife and I traveled to Bologna yesterday, and I want to show you what I was able to get in the Carry-On Pro and give you a little review on how well it did going through the airports as well as dragging it through the streets of Bologna. So first we'll take a look at what I was able to pack into it for our 10-day trip here in Bologna. And if I look a little jet lagged, it's because I am a little jet lagged. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. It wasn't really overstuffed. I have on top here my day bag that I'll be using. And the compression straps worked well. I didn't have to compress anything down too much. I'll pick that up. So, like I believe I said in my first video, we are team packing cubes. So, I was able to get 2 packing cubes. I believe I have 3 pairs of pants in that cube. There's about 6 shirts plus 6 t-shirts plus 1 button down, and then I put 2 pairs of shorts on the bottom here. In the zippered part here, I have all my socks. I think in total I brought like 8 pairs of socks. And then in this section, I have a packing cube that has my underwear in it, which I pack underwear like I plan to crap my pants 10 days in a row, so that's usually the thing I carry the most of. A pair of running shorts. I plan to exercise while I'm here. This is my toiletries kit. A light jacket, and then a pair of Chacos. And then I wore my the tennis shoes I plan to walk around in on the plane, and it wasn't jam-packed. I didn't have to sit on it to close it. Everything went in there pretty easily. And I don't use their packing cubes. These are just packing cubes off of Amazon. They're not compression cubes, although probably compression cubes might have worked a little bit. Compression packing cubes may have worked a little bit better. Okay, so I'll zip it up and I'll show you what I got brought in the outside pocket. All right, in the outside pockets, there's a charger for my watch, and my phone. And then I ended up putting all of our charging cables in here, and that's for GoPro batteries, USB, camera batteries, all the charging stuff is in here. In this pocket I wear a Whoop strap. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's it measures like strain, and and in the very lower pocket I have a Apple AirTag and a small pair of earplugs, and then I brought some masks with us in case we needed to have those in public transport, which no one has said anything to us about. Everybody seems to be traveling without a mask in all the bus and trains that we've been on so far. I didn't have a problem closing this. It closed well even after it was packed. It does the compression when you compress your clothing on the inside, it does bulge this out a little bit. So I don't know if there's any, outside of putting some sort of rod or something in there, I don't know if there's any way for them to prevent that, but I didn't have a problem closing this. You can't put anything super bulky in here. Also had we flew on United Premium Plus this trip, and they gave us a little amenities kit, and it fit in here and closed up without any problem. All right, so that's my real world review of the MONOS Carry-On Plus. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. I will put the same I still have the give 20 get 20 code that they sent me. I'll drop that into the description as well if you think you're interested in this carry-on. So far I've been happy with it. It went in, we flew in 2 very small planes for connecting flights, and it did have to gate check it coming out of Little Rock, but that was mainly because that flight was full. But it fit in all the other overhead bins. I didn't have any problems at all. It rode well on the buses. Obviously it rolls well in the airport. Tile floors, I didn't have any problems. Escalators, all that stuff. So I didn't have any problems pulling it or rolling it down the streets here in Bologna from the train station to where we're staying in our Airbnb. So if you have any questions, like I said, drop them in the comments below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification. Jet lag has got me. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when we upload new video. I'm going to go get in the shower, and we are going to explore the city some. So we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.